Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ledgers in Tally ERP 9. Ledgers are the backbone of your accounting system, recording all financial transactions. We will cover the essential steps to create, modify, and manage them effectively. By the end, you will confidently set up any ledger, ensuring accurate financial tracking for your business. This guide will help you master ledger creation with ease. To create a single ledger, begin by navigating to the Accounts Info menu from the gateway of Tally. From there, select Ledgers and then choose Create under the Single Ledger option. You will then input the ledger's name, an optional alias, and crucially, select the correct group. Finally, enter any opening balance if the ledger already has one. This ensures precise record keeping from the start. For creating multiple ledgers simultaneously, select Create under the Multiple Ledgers option within the Ledgers menu. This method is highly efficient when you need to set up several ledgers that fall under the same group. You will first choose the common group, then proceed to enter the names for all your new ledgers one after another. Remember to assign individual opening balances for each as required. Managing your ledgers effectively also involves knowing how to alter and delete them. To make changes, simply access the Alter option from the Ledgers menu. Here, you can correct any errors in ledger names or reassign them to different groups. If a ledger is no longer needed and has no transactions, you can delete it. Always exercise caution when deleting, as this action is permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.